Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're opening messages to begin a conversation. Start by tapping the paper airplane icon at the top right. Once done, choose New Message if you want a fresh thread, otherwise pick an existing conversation to continue. Add recipients by typing names, handles, or phone numbers. Make sure the correct account is selected if you manage multiple profiles. Then, pause, check profile photos and handles so you don't message the wrong person, and prepare your first short greeting or context sentence before composing the message body. Now compose the message. Type a clear sentence to start, then enhance it with emojis, images, or a short voice note to add tone. Once you add media, tap the image to crop or add text. This makes your point visually stronger. If you need someone's attention, mention them with it followed by their handle and include links or a location when relevant. Make sure attachments are within size limits and readable. If not, compress or reformat before sending so delivery succeeds. Press send to deliver your message. Hold the send button when options appear to schedule or edit. If the app supports that, this can save you from typos. Once sent, manage the thread with replies, reactions, or by muting notifications to reduce noise. If a message fails, first check your internet connection and account login status. Then try resending or force close the app and reopen it. If problems persist, update the app. Often a restart or latest version resolves most delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.